President Donald Trump is cracking down on those who tear down statues today. He is strongly reminding protesters that they could be sent to prison for up to 10 years if they engage in such destruction. In fact, the president said today that he will issue an executive order to protect monuments. White House correspondent Owen Jensen reports now. Owen?
Tracy, President Trump left the White House for Arizona today to check out the border wall being built and discuss border security, I should say. And before he left, he issued a very stern warning.
President Donald Trump issuing a warning to those who would tear down monuments.
They're bad people. They don't love our country, and they're not taking down our monuments. I just want to make that clear.
Just last night, across the street.
Last night, we stopped an attack on a great monument, the monument of Andrew Jackson in Lafayette Park.
And the punishment?
We are looking at long-term jail sentences for these vandals and these hoodlums and these anarchists and agitators, and call them whatever you want. Some people don't like that language, but that's what they are.
Meanwhile, in Georgia, the funeral for Rayshard Brooks, killed in a confrontation with police.
We are the incarceration capital of the world, and I submit that as long as we are committed to this problem of mass incarceration, we'll continue to see these escalations on the street, which literally lead to death.
Shortly after the president flew off on Marine One Tuesday morning, law enforcement moved protesters off the streets near the White House. And in the battle for the White House, former President Barack Obama holds an online fundraiser Tuesday night for Democrat Joe Biden, expected to raise millions.
You know, the Bible says iron sharpens iron.
And in Wisconsin, Vice President Mike Pence talking school choice, announcing education freedom scholarships.
We believe the competition makes everybody better.
Also in Wisconsin, Vice President Pence kicked off his Faith in America tour. He told a crowd of supporters the sweetest words that he ever hears is when he's out and about traveling across the country and people come up to him and tell him that they're praying for him. And he told the crowd there that because of these divided, contentious times that we're living in, that they should pray for all Americans right now. Tracy?
All right. Thank you so much, Owen. White House correspondent Owen Jensen reporting for us tonight.